Have you ever wondered what happens to your old smartphones and gadgets when you're done with them? Most people just throw them out, but all those valuable materials going to waste is really bad for the environment. Well, Apple has a cool solution. Meet Daisy, their top-secret recycling robot. I got a chance to go behind the scenes at Apple's Austin facilities to see Daisy in action. It was wild to watch this high-tech robot rip apart old iPhones at lightning speed. Here's how it all goes down. The recycling process, 2 minutes. Daisy is this massive 33-foot-long system made up of 4 big glass chambers. The recycling process starts when a person feeds buckets full of old iPhones onto a conveyor belt. Using advanced imaging and machine learning, Daisy scans and identifies each individual iPhone model. Then her big robotic arms grab the phone and literally punch off the display. But here's where it gets really crazy. Daisy blasts the phones with extreme cold temperatures below -112 degrees Fahrenheit. This freezing makes the battery adhesive fail so Daisy can easily knock out the battery. In the next chamber, Daisy doesn't mess around. She straight up punches the tiny screws and components out of the iPhone in a flurry of brute force. Once separated, another person has to quickly sort all the little phone bits and pieces into different boxes to be recycled. The whole deconstruction process takes Daisy just 4 seconds per iPhone. It's mind-blowing to watch. The bigger picture. While Daisy can tear through over 1.2 million iPhones a year, that's still just a tiny fraction of the 150 million smartphones thrown out globally every year. The amount of natural resources wasted is staggering. Apple sees Daisy as an ambassador to raise awareness about responsible recycling. They want to inspire people to donate their old devices instead of just trashing them. That's why Apple has open-sourced Daisy's technology and is allowing other companies to use it for free. The goal is to have more recycling robots like Daisy recover and reuse those valuable materials. Of course, what's most mind-blowing is the sheer amount of electronics waste out there. Most of us are totally guilty of just tossing our old tech, myself included. Seeing Daisy rip apart those iPhones really drove home why recycling needs to become the norm, not the exception. If one recycling robot can process over 1 million phones a year, imagine the impact we could have with responsible e-waste practices worldwide. So next time you're upgrading, don't let your old tech go to waste. Look into recycling programs like the one that powers Daisy. Who knows, your recycled iPhone could live on as parts for a whole new product. Have you ever recycled your old phones or electronics before? After seeing Daisy in action, I'm definitely inspired to do better. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.